morning. We're looking at the interchange between University and I-94 here in South Fargo, and you see those road crews out there this morning. They're out there trying to widen the road a little bit more, still working on cleaning things up from this weekend storm and getting rid of that snow. So still working on cleaning up, and fortunately the weather has been cooperating since then. We've got some quiet conditions in the Southern Valley, but snow, well, it's falling up in the north in some spots. You can see on our radar right now, we're looking at snow up around Lake of the Woods, extending north of the border from there up toward Winnipeg. And then the rest of us looking pretty quiet at this point in time. But again, we're going to see this try to drop east-southeastward more into the valley. And so places like Roseau, Hallock, seeing some flakes now flying around, maybe just a few flurries at the moment, but potentially more snow dropping in as this system continues to move in. Looks like Baudette getting a good amount of snow at this point in time, or at least some light, steady snow, according to our radar. Our temperatures right now are below freezing, so we're looking at some 20s up in those areas where the snow is falling. It's 29 in Fargo. We are at 26 in Grand Forks. Some of us into the teens this morning out to the south and west. In Jamestown, we're at 19 degrees. The wind is fairly light. We're looking at wind speeds less than 15 miles per hour. Kind of a range of directions that we're getting our winds from here this morning. And taking a look at your visibility, most of us doing just fine. And even where we have some lowering, it's not too bad. We're at 7 miles in Cooperstown and in Valley City right now. So here's a look at that hour-by-hour planner for today. We've got that snow up north trying to work its way through. And watch what happens over the next couple of hours. It kind of dips in a little bit more. So places like Grand Forks and Thief River Falls will see our chances for snow increase here. If you're farther south and west, your chances for snow are less likely. However, with this front moving through anywhere in the valley where we've got some clouds, we could see a few flurries to some light snow showers, but the focus will be up in northwestern Minnesota, especially for snow chances this morning. By noon, most of that is moving on. It's dropping to the south and east. Again, can't rule out some flurries. What will be happening is we'll see that wind direction change out of the northwest, stronger winds too, some gusts into the 20s to near 30 miles per hour, and that northerly breeze kind of keeping those temperatures from warming up much more. We either hold steady or start to dip a little bit farther into the afternoon, with temperatures ranging from about 20 to 30 degrees or so for your afternoon highs. So a cooler day ahead of us today, but not necessarily cold for early December standards. It was just nice and mild the last couple of days. Heading into tonight, we clear things out, and with that colder air in place, that means some pretty low temperatures to start tomorrow morning, some single digits in many places, and with even a little bit of a breeze, our wind chills are going to be pretty low. And our snowfall potential with this round today, we're looking at just a quick little dusting, maybe a few flurries up to maybe 1 inch of snow, maybe 2 inches of snow from Roseau to War Road and the Baudette area here for this event. A quick look at your Friday forecast. Things are starting off pretty cold. We'll have some sunshine and then clouds develop. The wind picks up. We get more and more cloud development happening into the afternoon. Temperatures a little cooler from today, so more into the low 20s. And then we've got another round of potential quick shot of light snow in some of those same areas moving through for Friday night. So again, some of those same spots seeing that potential, whereas in the Southern Valley, it'll be a lot quieter. So pretty shot here from Comstock. Thanks, Tiffany, for sharing your wintry scene. And we've got some big changes ahead for Saturday. A pretty pleasant day, actually. A good day to get things taken care of outdoors. Maybe you need to still put up your Christmas lights. Saturday's a good day for that. Just watch out for a little wind. Sunday even won't be too bad, but we'll eventually see some snow move in, and then the cold takes over. Coldest shot of air so far this season for the at least first half of next week.
Yeah, that is a big drop. Like 30, within 30 degrees at least.
A huge drop from we were into the mid 30s yesterday. We're looking at 50 plus once we get down to those low temperatures.
Okay, we'll prepare. Thank you, Lisa. The North Pole is coming to Fargo, not just temperature wise, in a fun way too. We're going to tell you where you can see Santa coming up on the Valley today.